All right. We know that communication skills are very important in our personal life as well as in our professional life. So effective communication is key during your job search as well, because it influences how you present yourself to potential employers, how you present yourself to colleagues, and of course, to every other professional connection that you'll meet along the way. Now, clear communication helps you to express your qualifications, your experience, and your enthusiasm in a way that resonates with hiring managers. You may want to check out my Intro to Communication Skills course, where you'll learn the essential building blocks of effective communication, not only for work, but for your personal life as well. Now, whether you're writing a cover letter, tailoring your resume, or preparing for an interview, your ability to convey your strengths and experiences clearly can make a significant impact during your job search process. In interviews, good communication helps you answer questions with confidence and with clarity, allowing you to highlight your skills and show that you're the right fit for the company and for the position that you've applied for. It's also very important in follow-up emails or thank you notes after an interview. This is where you can reiterate your interest in the position and, of course, your suitability for the job as well. Networking is another area where strong communication skills is critical. When you're reaching out to others, whether it's on LinkedIn, through a written message, or at a networking event, your ability to introduce yourself effectively and to ask the right questions can open doors to new opportunities. So excellent communication skills enables you to make a positive impression, to establish rapport in hiring professionals, and of course, to set yourself apart from other candidates. I encourage you to check out my Intro to Communication Skills course, where you're going to learn not only how to communicate, but also how to listen well.